Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using Binance. But before we get started, if you don't already have a Pocket Option account or want to open a new one, you can use the link in the description below to get a $50 bonus after your first deposit. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive in. First, you want to log into your Pocket Option account, and once you're in, you want to click on the top up in the top right corner right over here. Then you want to choose a different payment method. So click the drop down, choose another. From here, you want to choose Tether USDT, this one. Then from here, go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit. And then click continue and pay. So for example, we're satisfied this amount, just go ahead and click continue and pay. You'll now see a wallet address. You want to make sure that you copy this address because you'll need it in Binance. Now, once we have copied this, open up your Binance account and go to your Spot wallet. So click here, click Spot. There we go. And from here, go ahead and choose withdraw. Search for the coin. In this case, we're using USDT. Then you want to paste the code here, the address. For the network, we're using TRX. And then for the withdrawal amount, for example, if you're sending $100 and the fee is $1, so just simply enter 101 so that Pocket Option receives the full $100. Double check everything, the address, network, and amount, then click withdraw once you're satisfied to confirm the transaction. Once it's processed, your USDT will appear in your Pocket Option account, ready to trade. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money from Binance to Pocket Option in just a few minutes. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.